Hi, it's your global boy Pingtang. Starting my intro. So we're finally on our way to Oshkosh. I wasn't planning on this trip, but my sister tried to convince me to go for the last time. I was like, I guess so. And we finally just got here and just went past the border of Wisconsin because we're supposed to leave around like 1 already, but my sister didn't get off until like 3, so we had to wait for her to get off from work at 3 and for all of us to go. And and here we are just stopping at a gas station for her kids to use the bathroom and whatnot, and the other people in this car. So I'm alone right now. Getting a little bit motion sickness, but yeah, I feel a bit much better after like massaging my neck. I think my neck has like a lot of tension, but if anything, yeah, it's gonna be a long ride than a previous one to Wausau. It's like 3 hours, and then from here it might be like a 4 to 5 hours. So let's see how things go. I'm ready to go nap on a bed. So yeah, so I guess I'll catch you later then. Hello. I do not know what that loud noise is, but hello everybody. It's your global boy Paintel again, starting my intro. 11:09. Don't mind the video. Yeah, it's 11:09. We're just getting ready, getting dressed up, and then hopefully head out soon. The beds are a bit bigger, but the space is very small and tight, which was odd and weird. Like the other one, it has like bigger space but a smaller bed, but this one here in Oshkosh has bigger beds but smaller space. So I guess it is what it is. I'm still debating on what song I should sing today, because one song contains like some very high notes and the other song was like in the half medium, but I think I might sing the song with the high notes, because on the second day they'll make us sing early again, and I was like, I don't think my voice would be ready for that. So to be safe, I think I'd rather sing the high notes, the song with the very high notes, since it's not singing till later, around 1, and then the second round will be like 10 in the morning. So I think the second song with the medium high notes should be okay for that. Hey. Right now we're at CVS. My sister needs to take out money, cash, and then we're gonna head straight to the field. Yeah, so I'll see y'all there.